On today's Science Master episode, I'll be drawing on water. So here, I have a jug of water. It doesn't actually matter how much water you have, just enough to fill the plate. Now, if you want to try this experiment at home, you'll need one of these, a dry erase marker, or a whiteboard marker, and a porcelain plate. And I'm going to be testing which plate works better. A normal plate, a normal white one with paint on it, and a bowl. So let's start the experiment. I'm going to start the experiments now. For my first experiment, I'll be using a completely normal plate. There's nothing wrong with this. And I'm going to draw a figure. This isn't the best figure. Need to attach that one so it'll probably fall off. There we go, we've got our man. And I'm going to pour this water in, completely normal still, going with the theme. It's folding a bit, but look at him. There we go, here's our man. He looks better than I thought he would. And this is how you can clean them up. Just poke them. Might not work, but first let's squoosh them up, and then they'll just turn into this little gooey mess. And you can easily dispose of that. Now for my second experiment, I'll be drawing on this bowl with paint. I'll show you this bit as best as I can. There we go. The reason I've drawn him on the side is I've found out that works better. Now, I'm going to put the water in. You need to do it quite gently because I've split him into pieces. But that kind of looks like a balloon, so I can just do that. It's totally not a severed head. It's a balloon, guys. These can move around. And if you're accidentally hitting with the water, try not to, because that shreds them into pieces. That's my mistake. My third experiment, and it might be final, I will be testing a bowl. And in the last experiment, it hit the side and wrinkled, so that was a failure. So I might try drawing it on the side, and then seeing if that works. So I'm just going to draw my little guy here. Let's see if I can, if I'm using the same one, it works better. There we go. I'm going to pour the water in and see if this works. It's coming off. Need more water. And filling up. Just need about that much. And then I fill him up enough. More water. And I add the rest of the water. He's floating. This is uncontrollable unless you put like magnetic putty stuff on him. And I'm not going to do that this episode, but as you can see, he doesn't want to move from there, where you can't see him very well. But as you can see, the third experiment is a success, so it works better on the side of a bowl. I've got one more experiment that I want to try. I might have another, but I never know. I can't tell the future. So this is my fourth experiment. I'm going to be building a race type thing in this. And I'm going to use two different colours. I'm going to draw sky. And the red guy is going to be using the same sweep of the pen. There we go. And I have my jug of water. Wrinkle. Stay away from that, it's dangerous. But we have some ribbons swimming around now. The paint ones, for some reason, and this one, for some reason, didn't work as well. That was cool, wasn't it? Drawing on water, making it move on the top of the water, that was really cool. But I'm guessing you're wondering, why does it work? How does it work? How does it do all that amazing stuff? Well, it's pretty simple. The dry erase markers, the ink is mainly made up of a silicone stuff. So when you write it on the porcelain isn't so sticky, so when you pour water in it, because the silicone's not as dense as water, it will float to the top. Because it's porcelain, it'll unstick. And that's how it works. But maybe you're wondering why I did it. Well, that is a good question. But I'll give a big thanks to the channel, The Action Lab. I forgot his name then. It's a really good channel. He's not got very much subscribers for his epic channel, and go subscribe to him. Watch some of his videos. He's excellent. He does loads of stuff with a vacuum chamber. He's done what I just did over there, and he's really cool. Hope you go and see him. He's a really good YouTuber. So goodbye for now, and just do whatever you want. Why don't you try that experiment out at home? Yeah, I need to think of an outro.